You people, well go on, the man himself, Bunny here. So, as you can already tell by the video title, I have a number of things to talk about. Well, only one thing to talk about and announce. But let's just get right into it. Be sure to rate, comment, subscribe for more, obviously. But yeah, so I did a channel update video, I believe it was last week, like early last week, regarding my plans, quote unquote, for the channel and what you guys want to see. I didn't really get much feedback on that, but as per, I forgot the name of the person that actually commented in terms of what they wanted to see in terms of the next play, which was Shebada Comes to Town. So that's what we're going to be working with. So the next play that's going to be, well, starting tonight, I'm going to upload the first part. Yeah. So Shebada Comes to Town is going to be the next play on the channel. I'm going to upload part 1 tonight, or at least later on today, because it's like, what, almost 2 o'clock here. So, well, at least as of this recording. So there's that. Of course, it's going to be 4 parts, and I'm going to be uploading 1 part per day. So starting today, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I could be mistaken, it could actually be 5 parts, but 1 part per day, you get the idea. So look out for that, stay tuned, subscribe, share with your friends. It's going to be entertaining. Funny enough, I actually haven't watched the play myself, which I'm probably going to check out, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be hilarious and you'll all love it, more than likely. So yeah, there's that. But onto the bigger picture, our bigger discussion, what I'm trying to aim for with this video is that I wanted to discuss, like the future of roots plays, or plays in general in Jamaica. What future is there for them, as well as internationally. No, I'm not gonna pretend like I'm this expert. I've seen a decent amount of plays, but I'm no great historian when it comes on to watching roots plays. I'm not really like expert on the topic. I can only really speak from my experience and my observations, really, and by extension, you guys can, educate me if I'm if I'm missing anything or things I should know, or what you guys think at the end of the day. But the thing is, I've been watching plays since let's say 2006, 2007. So like Bashment Granny 2, like Father Like Son, Money Worries, and it's really always from the same company or same handful of companies. Stages Productions back then, RBT Productions now. So yeah, so I've watched a decent amount, but not a wide cross section. Like I know some people that watched a lot of Oliver's plays back in the day and all of that, and even other plays that are going on now, but that hasn't been me, unfortunately. But the thing is, I've always wondered from even back then, like how much longer will roots plays last in Jamaica? Because every year probably a play comes out, the people come out, they watch the plays, have a good time, but I always wondered, like, could this like evolve into something more? I don't know, like, you guys tell me, because I'm wondering if things are on a decline play wise. Do people actually prefer other forms of entertainment now, like our current generation? We have such a wide variety of options when it comes on to entertainment. I'm wondering, like, for example, in the upcoming generation, like, will they take on to plays as much? Stuff like that. I'm wondering when it comes on to the future, as well as even up and coming actors and actresses, like what's being done to actually, bring the next generation of these people, this group of people. And as I said, I'm not really focused on that scene too much, or as much as I should. At the end of the day, it's I think these are legitimate or valid questions to ask, because okay, everybody knows Shebada, Delcita, but they aren't going to be around forever, and who's the next big thing, really? It would be good if this whole play market was a bit more competitive, like healthy competition, where foster the growth of certain actors and actresses. But I don't know, I'm wondering if the industry for this type of entertainment, will it eventually die off? So there's a few questions I've always wondered, like, throughout the years. it's continued over the years and years and years, but I don't know. You guys let me know what you think about this. Like, what do you think about these questions, really? Let me know, because nothing lasts forever. Certain industries die out, certain rise, certain industries just continue and stand the test of time. So let me know. This is going to be a topic I'm going to revisit in the future on this channel. I'm hoping I can probably get an interview with certain actors or actresses, so you can stay tuned for that. So this is kind of like a more or less a little introductory thing to kind of get, you know, those thoughts running. So let me know what you think, really. So anyway, I'll see you guys later. Look out for part 1 of Shebada Comes to Town, and I'll see you guys in the next one.